Mrs. Tolf, and I'm going to show you how to play the clothespin drop. To play the clothes drop game, all you need is a Ziploc bag to put your clothespins in, some clothespins. I ended up putting just numbers, so you can keep score if you'd like, on mine, but you can also put letters or words for sight words, or you can even do math equations with addition, division, whatever you're working on. And then you need some flashcards if you didn't put them on the clothespins. I used these from another game I was playing. Today we're working on letters and sounds, and so I just wrote some letters on mine, and then something to drop the clothespins in. I happen to use just this little tub, but you can use a glass jar, a pail, whatever you have at home. First thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a word or a letter, and mine is Y, so you can either say the sound, you can have to say a word that starts with that sound, like yellow, or whatever you like. Remember, you can put math equations or whatever you want on there on these cards. If you guess right, you get to get a clothespin, and mine is worth +1, and I am going to try to drop it into the container. Oh, I didn't get it, so I'm going to try again. Let's see how many points I have so far. +1. One of the reasons I have 2 containers is if you want to challenge, you can try for the smaller hole as well. So good luck playing this game. Have fun playing the clothespin drop game.